Fatah binti Hamdan, and my group member is Nur Farahim binti Muhammad Shukri, Nur Haniza binti Muhammad Hanizi, Nur Syafiqah binti Bakri, Nur Iwadayana binti Muhammad Wasdi, and Nur Fatina Shua binti Mizan. We are from Group 10, and our journal review report is Innovative Outcome to Exploration and Exploitation, Enables Barriers and Industrial Property.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Iwadayana binti Muhammad Rusdi. My number meeting is A228059. Next, I'm gonna discuss a little bit about effective exploration and exploitation methods to produce innovation to the company. Innovation is something that is very important in exploiting in the career as a corporate entrepreneur. This is where they play an important role to achieve something that the company hopes to generate more profit for the company. Innovation is an unpredictable activity. This is because in order to do something innovative, the company needs to go through several complex stages to obtain the production of high quality products. The use of high technology in new product innovation indirectly opens up huge market opportunities in today's increasingly competitive market. Effort towards innovation, the company will do its best to generate ideas and practice repeatedly in order to obtain a product that has special features according to the creativity of the idea generator. According to the article that will be discussed, we can see how the research for an innovation goes through two different steps but have the same equipment, one through exploration and also through exploitation. Exploration is a variation method that uses an extensive search to produce innovative product, while the generation of innovation through exploitation is towards exploiting the company knowledge to obtain high generation through entrepreneur who have high knowledge, and it is different for each entrepreneur who works in the company. They have used I/O as a medium to get innovative results. There are two scholars who have different views on exploiters. According to Griff 2007 study show that companies that use exploration will produce new and innovative technologies in a short period of time. But in this article, we can see the research conducted by scholars to test the direct relationship between exploration and exploitation to produce innovation.
So next is objective, which is explore the relationships between exploration, exploitation, and innovative outcome in highly innovative firms, as well as to examine the impact of R&D enablers, barriers, and industrial property on this process with innovative outcome as a dependent variables. The author introduced a theoretical framework and formulate 5 hypotheses which were tested in quantitative study of 234 large Spanish firms.
The issue that developed in this case study is to investigate how industrial property and R&D, research and development, enables an obstacle effect exploration, how they affect exploitation, and ultimately how they may affect inventive outcome or I/O as a result variable. Analysis of the relationship between exploration and I/O can be divided into 4 important ways. Firstly, previous research has only investigated certain aspects of the connection between exploration and exploitation, according to Husaido Gonzalez in 2017. According to other research, there is a link where one replaces the other because they have to struggle for the limited resources available to the business, as according to Lawson et 2010 and Levy et al. 2011. Additionally, some writers view the two learning cycles as complementary with a variety of pairings. However, in this case, we offer and evaluate the clear correlation between exploration and exploitation. Secondly, while some studies prevent a theoretical model, they ultimately are not compared empirically in investigation that are qualitative or quantitative. So, this area continues to be a steady issue of interest according to Quasset and Epperding in 2010, Thies 2012, Catil and Chen 2008, and Vargas et al. Wilden et al. Therefore, this case study empirically tests the new model in a quantitative with significant conclusion. Thirdly, organizational performance is typically included as a last variable in research, which is more specific and work with a new variable called I/O. Lastly, this case study also will examine the impact of variables on exploration and exploitation, including the effect on I/O as a result variable. These variables include enablers, R&D barriers, and industry property. In order to achieve this, a new theoretical model of relationship is established.
There is two main points that related to Subiecus corporate. The first one is real researchers explores the relationship between exploration and exploitation in highly innovative firms, finding that R&D enablers positively impact explorations, while R&D barriers in industrial property have negative impact. Then for the second one, it also provides a new theoretical model and empirical evidence to support its finding, contributing to understanding the tension between exploration and exploitation in organizational learning, and highlighting the importance of R&D enablers in facilitating exploration activities.
The weakness of the journal is that it identifies limitations and proposes future research directions without explicitly discussing the potential limitations of the study's methodology or data analysis. One potential solution to the weakness of not explicitly discussing the potential limitations of the study's methodology or data analysis is to conduct a thorough and transparent discussion of the study's limitations in the conclusion section. This would involve acknowledging any potential biases, methodological constraints, or data limitations that may have impacted the study's findings, and offering suggestions for future research to address these limitations.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika binti Bakri and my matric number is A2280949. So, the last part of the report is the conclusion. In conclusion, exploitation requires our full concentration to do better based on what we are doing, efficient and productivity. Besides, exploration allows us to get away from our current reality to visit other realities and also find the new horizon, which is innovation. The difference between these two approaches based on their primary focus, research question and method, and tools to study more detail about it. Both exploration and exploitation research have their strengths and limitations and are suitable for different research objectives and contexts.